So I'm hiring myself out a little bit for operator services, and I also bought myself a tractor this year, a Kx080 CK3510 HST, and now we're kind of getting to the early months of winter here in Manitoba. My landlord, who's also a builder, rented this machine and asked me if I could run it for him. And since I don't have much else going on, I said, yeah, sure, no problem. So he rented this thing, and I just went to go wipe the window off because it kind of had dust and stuff on it. And it's friggin' plexiglass. They just used sheet metal screws here to secure it. Fucking unbelievable. It's a Kubota Kx080-4. So far I haven't been very impressed by it. Kind of jerky hydraulics. This, here, I put the auxiliaries on. Watch this with the bucket. Like, it's so touchy, it's unbelievable. I mean, this thing's got over 2,000 hours on it, 2,096 actually. It's almost 2,100. And this is the tilt bucket. I just asked for a cleanup bucket and they give me like this big 4-foot, if not almost a 5-foot wrist bucket. Look how little the hydraulic cylinders are. It's made by H&H, which is a company out of Ontario. So I've been wanting to try one of these out for a while. I always heard good things about these, but I don't know if it's just because this thing was abused or what, but it's not really that fantastic of a machine, I find. So Hitachi is still the best. So end of story. And the blade here, like, it's a 4-way blade, it's not the 6-way, so you can only go left and right with it. And that's kind of all right, but man, does it ever stick out far on this thing. So built heavy too. So the thumb is on its own hydraulic circuit, which is kind of cool to a point. So on the left joystick, there's your thumb. And you can actually use it with this ditching bucket. Oh, I didn't use the other joystick here. And so you can sort of grab things with it a bit, but not much. What's nice that at least it's on its own circuit, and you don't have to go and throw the valves and retract the stupid thing. Otherwise, I kind of hate hydraulic thumbs. And we use these wrist to twist buckets or tilt buckets so much here in Manitoba that the thumbs just kind of get in the way, and once you've been on a machine with a decent tilt bucket long enough, you find that you don't even need a thumb to grab onto stuff, or at least to even get stuff into the bucket, sort of thing. Especially when you got a little dozer blade like this too, you just clean right up to the blade. And the rubber tracks, they just slip like crazy, but if somebody wanted to give it to me, I'd take it. Spend a few thousand on hydraulic repairs and a window. So yeah, put a full-on tilt rotator on it, if not a used one. So oh well, it could always be worse. Trust me, it can always be worse.